All right, good afternoon, everyone. I am Dawn Smith with the Livonia Westland Chamber of Commerce, and we are so excited to be here for Seedlings Braille Book for Children for their expansion. They have been in the community for more than 40 years, started by Deborah Bondi, and now they are run by Amanda Hercula. Yay! Yes! Space is over 8,500 square feet. Absolutely gorgeous. Everyone make sure they stick around for the open house and get a tour. And I'm going to turn it over to Amanda for a few words about Seedlings.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful to see all of your faces here. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Amanda. If you haven't met me yet, please come say hello during the event. I'd love to meet all of you personally. We were founded in 1984 by Deborah Bondi under the three founding principles of kindness, caring, and compassion. And those are three values that we include in our work every single day. Today we invite you into our brand new space, the Aaron Lee Swain Memorial Wing, dedicated in memory of one of our longtime volunteers and Braille transcribers who embodied those three principles to her core: kindness, caring, and compassion. That is what we are all about, that is what Aaron was all about, and that's what we are here to celebrate today. So thank you all for coming. Please get some hot dogs, get some snacks, enjoy yourself. We're going to have a reading by the illustrious author ZuZu Sampson at 6 p.m. So please stick around to meet ZuZu and get maybe an autographed copy of his book, Braille Boy. Thank you all again for coming, and let's get this thing started.
All right, we're going to do a photo op first. So if you guys can all look at the cameras. Yep. Big smiles. And we're going to cut the ribbon on count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Everyone, please stick around, and I also want to say thank you to our Congresswoman, Rashida Tlaib. She is here as well. Come on in.
Is the wonderful, oh, not started yet? Now we're started. Next to me here is the wonderful ZuZu Sampson, all the way from New York. ZuZu, do you want to tell everyone how old you are?
I'm 10 years old.
Awesome. Do you want to tell us a little bit about why you wrote Braille Boy?
Yeah, I wrote Braille Boy because at the time I couldn't find any books that I really liked, so I decided that I'd make my own.
There you go. I like it.
All right, so we're going to get a reading of Braille Boy here from ZuZu.
Braille Boy by ZuZu Sampson. Braille Alien had a secret. He was busy working on it. Braille Boy was enjoying his time watching TV in his cozy hideout. Braille Boy sprang into action. He zoomed down a slide to uncover the mystery. With a catapult, he soared into the sky, landing safely in Braille Alien's dark lair. What are you up to? Braille Boy demanded, curious and determined. But Braille Alien mumbled, I'm doing nothing. But Braille Boy wasn't convinced. Braille Alien denies any wrongdoing. Don't bother me. I didn't do anything wrong. Then Braille Boy yells and warns. Tell me now, or you'll go to alien jail. Braille alien confessed, I will confuse everyone, changing D.145 to F.124. Braille Boy protested, not on my watch. Braille readers must know the truth. D is not F and E.15 is not I.24 and M.134 is not U.136 and TH.1456 is not P.1234. Braille alien boasted, I can use a magical computer to confuse anyone. Braille Boy raised his hand. Time out. You're going to jail. Braille Boy stood tall, ready to stop Braille alien's mischievous plan. Braille alien... Oh, hold on, I have to get to the page. I'm unstoppable, Braille alien yelled, while Braille Boy stood his ground. Braille Boy took a brave step, removing a chip out of his own head. Braille alien cried, no! How did you defeat me? Braille Boy explained, with my superpowers, anything is possible. Braille readers deserve equal treatment, said Braille Boy, and I will use my powers to help them.
Thank you so much, ZuZu. That was wonderful, wasn't it?
Yes.
ZuZu also has a second book that just came out, The Adventures of Braille Boy Teamwork, which is a wonderful sequel. Do you want to say anything about that one?
Yes. I want to say that book is a very interesting book, and you should check it out.
You should check it out. We do have some Braille Boy available here today, or you can buy them directly from ZuZu. His publisher is called Research Once. Take note. And ZuZu, do you want to maybe stick around and sign a couple copies?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right, so if you want a signed copy of Braille Boy, come on up. Let's get you one. Thank you all so much for coming.